Well, good morning, everybody. It is a beautiful morning this morning. How many of you guys like free stuff? Okay, have I got your attention now? What about free stuff valuing over $10,000? All right, now I think I really have your attention. So for those of you that might not follow our unplugged DIY live stream that myself, Rodney Hunt, and Eric from East Texas Homestead host each week, this Thursday night we are going to be giving away a system worth over $10,000. Now, just 6 months ago, we gave away our biggest system, and it was worth $5,000 and change, I think, and that was the MidNite One inverter right at the beginning of the year. And tonight, not tonight, what am I saying? Thursday night, we're going to be able to give away another MidNite Power 1 inverter and one of their 16 kilowatt hour batteries. And all you have to do is be in the chat. And so we're excited. We want to make sure that as many people know about this because, I mean, who doesn't like free stuff? Especially for those folks that want to go solar. You know, they want to get into the self-reliance aspect of taking care of power on their own. But stuff's just too expensive. And so this is one way that we can help out. Hopefully somebody gets this system that can't afford buying one on their own. But we're not going to know who's going to get it until Thursday night. And so this is actually part of a bigger rebranding that MidNite Power is actually doing. And again, another reason that you'd want to be on our weekly live stream, because we've been talking for the last 2 weeks about other ways that you could win this system as well by helping with the MidNite Power rebrand. And we're actually going to be announcing the contest winners on Thursday night as well. And the winners of the contest are also going to get a MidNite Power 1 inverter and a 16 kilowatt hour battery as well. So we're actually giving away, we're giving away one, but we get to announce the winners of 2 other full systems Thursday night. So it's going to be a great night. It's going to be really fun. And on top of that, we also have Jeffrey from the channel There's a Trick for That. He's going to be joining us on the live stream as well. So make sure you come on over 8 p.m. Eastern to the DIY Solar Unplugged live stream and see if you can win a full system. It still boggles my mind that we're giving away something that big. And who knows, maybe in the future we'll be able to give away something even bigger. I don't know. I mean, we've given away lots of stuff. We've given away mini split inverters. We've given away lots of little SPDs, but this by far is going to be our largest giveaway to date. But the year's not over yet, so make sure you come and join us. Again, Thursday night, 8 p.m. I'll leave links in the description below, and I'll put a little pin up wherever it shows up. So we'll see you there.